So I've been in the gang for about 4 years now, and I definitely say it's become my whole life.
You wake up and it's like biking. You brush your teeth and it's like biking. You eat and, well, you're focusing on the food, but like biking's on your mind too.
It's like you're like whipping through the streets and the wind's in your ear and you're like whooshing past these little kids and like the elderly and crap. Man, there's nothing like it.
I like to bike.
It's great because even though we're all like really into the lifestyle, and obviously we're all really hardcore, we're always there for each other because we're like a family, except for Turtle.
Of course, biking comes first, but you know, image is really important to who we are too.
You would catch me dead on a bike like Turtles.
We all have a uniform look, right? Leather is cool, jeans are cool.
Safety's cool.
You know, in the winter, that sort of thing, it works out. But in the summertime, things can get pretty intense.
No one ever said beauty was easy.
Yeah.
We all like to be fair, so we take turns leading our daily bike rides.
Actually, I've never...
Today it's Handlebar's turn.
She's the absolute worst with directions.
She always gets us lost, and she takes us to the weirdest places.
I just think that our bikes are gonna tell us where they want us to go. Like, you know how the One Ring, it wanted Frodo and Sam to take it to Mordor? Well, our bikes are like that, except for instead of Mordor, our bikes are taking us to the fun. Well, we're in a tight spot now.
Damn it, Handlebars.
Reputation is really important to the gang too.
Like, everyone knows who can do the coolest tricks.
Everyone knows who can wear leather the longest while riding without passing out.
Like, your cred is really important.
That's why we gave so much crap to Spokes when she crashed into that hobo.
Wait, someone told you that? No, who told you? Really, I won't get mad, but really, who told you? I cannot believe you! Are you serious? You know how embarrassing that was! Why did you say it?
Well, Spokes is still really pissed. Like, you find out there's no chicken in your biscuit pissed. So, we're gonna have to go talk to our advisor.
Will Quickie?
Will Quickie. You simpleton.
Will Quickie!
Shut up. Will, we have a problem. The group's splitting up. We need help. He's gonna hurt himself with this. I already know.
It's dangerous. It's really dangerous. Thank you.
Stop, come on.
Bye, Will Quickie.
So we went and saw the advisor.
And? What am I supposed to do with these?
Come on. I miss this a lot.
It solved nothing.
This all